Bliss.io.
What's going on, everybody? My name's Evan. I make crypto easy, and today we're going to be talking about a decentralized exchange, Uniswap. A lot of people don't know what Uniswap is. A lot of people don't know what a decentralized exchange is, and a lot of people think that you can only buy crypto on places like Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, all those really big name brand centralized exchanges out there. When there's so many other options out there that are decentralized, where you can find all the sweet and spicy, 10x gems that you wouldn't find on Coinbase and Binance. So that's what this video is going to be about. It's going to be a tutorial showing you how to use Uniswap, what is Uniswap, what is a decentralized exchange. I'm going to be covering a little bit of those topics, who created Uniswap, why does it exist, why do I use it, and best of all, I'm going to be buying Shibu Inu with it today. I'll get a little bit more into why I'm buying SHIB. And why maybe you want to think about maybe buying SHIB. Just remember, this is not investment advice. Everything's for educational purposes. Let's get into the video. So as you can see here, I'm on the Uniswap homepage, and right in big fat letters, it literally says decentralized trading protocol, right? And so the difference between a decentralized trading protocol and a centralized trading protocol is in the name. One's centralized and one is decentralized, right? One depends on a blockchain and the other depends on servers, right? Server-side servers, right? And so when we think about that, right, Coinbase and Binance have private order books. When you trade, you trust them to make that trade for you, right? You sign up with Coinbase, you sign up with Binance, you give them access to personal private information that you trust with them. That is considered centralized, right? What happens if Coinbase goes down, right? Let's say Bitcoin's getting super volatile and Coinbase goes down that day. Okay, that is centralized, right? In cryptocurrency, we're pushing for the adoption of decentralized structures and formalities in the cryptocurrency space, right? So we don't just want to trade decentralized cryptocurrencies. We want to trade decentralized cryptocurrencies on decentralized platforms. And one of the first steps on making that a reality is Uniswap, the first ever. Well, I believe it's the first ever. It's the most popular by far. Decentralized trading protocol that is built on Ethereum. And so I have I have a few links here that I'm gonna attach down in the description, so you guys can all check this out on your own time. But what's really cool is you can see a little bit of a short history on Uniswap on their page. They actually have a Uniswap history page, and you can find out that Uniswap was born on November 2nd, 2018. So Uniswap is very young compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin was made in 2009 was when Satoshi released the white paper, or 2008, 2009. Uniswap was made in 2018, right? That's a lot of years later in the cryptocurrency space. Ethereum was made around 2014. A lot of the the big name brand cryptos were made, I'd say about 3 to 4, maybe 5 years after Bitcoin. Uniswap was made, almost 7, 8 years, 9 years after that. And so now I want to be able to explain to you guys the importance of Uniswap. Who is Hayden Adams? How did he change the world in the cryptocurrency space? And I actually have a really cool link right here that explains a little bit more about Hayden Adams. He's the founder of Uniswap, one of the most widely used decentralized applications built on Ethereum. It is by far the most popular decentralized protocol out there. And how do I know that? How do I know Uniswap is the best decentralized trading platform to go on? Well, I can see right here on this website called CoinGecko. CoinGecko is a coin repository in the crypto space. I use CoinGecko to search up coins, to look up exchanges, to look at the daily stats, to see how many exchanges are there, how many coins, what are they ranked by market cap, what's the total market cap in the crypto space. I love using CoinGecko. It's my go-to research mechanism and repository, just like I said, when someone tells me something. If someone's like, hey, do you hear about, this exchange, this random exchange that's based somewhere else in the world, I'll be like, 1 second, let me go on CoinGecko, let me search up that exchange, let me see how much money's going on it, let me see what coins that they offer, and if they have a lot of coins, if it's got good volume, good security, hey, I might just end up using that exchange one day, and then they'll benefit off of me using their exchange by my trading fees, right? And so the same thing goes with cryptocurrencies. Hey, Evan, can you check out TVL for me? Yeah, of course. I don't go on Google. I'm not just aimlessly searching around trying to figure out, should I buy the next 10x investment? No, I'm on CoinGecko. I'm doing hard research. I'm looking at the metrics. I'm looking at the tokenomics. I'm looking at the circulating supply. I'm looking at a whole bunch of different things, which I call my token hunting method, to look at these cryptocurrencies. And so throughout this channel, I want to show you guys how to do all that. But that's not the focus of this video. The focus of this video today is Uniswap and how to use Uniswap. So as you can see here on CoinGecko, you can see that Uniswap right now is the #1 exchange ranked in volume right now on CoinGecko, #1 decentralized exchange. All right, so that means that over right now there's a 24-hour volume of almost $1,515,963,672 on CoinGecko. If you compare that to all the other decentralized exchanges, MDEX, Compound Finance, PancakeSwap, they have significantly less. And that's because Uniswap is the most trusted platform out there. It's been around for the longest as well. And even though they have, some shortfalls and some cons compared to the other decentralized exchanges, it's always been everyone's go-to. Now, there have been other times where other decentralized exchanges are trending, like PancakeSwap. The past few months, PancakeSwap was in the first place because everything on PancakeSwap was just exploding. So everybody just wanted to get into PancakeSwap. But ever since all the coins started falling and we had a 50% drop in Bitcoin, Uniswap has regained its place in #1. So that's just a little bit of background right there. Now, there's 3 steps on how you want to buy a decentralized cryptocurrency on a decentralized platform. There's 3 things. 1, you need a wallet client, right? Why do you need a wallet? Well, when you connect to a centralized exchange like Coinbase, like Binance, you create an account. You give your social security, you give your email, you give your address, you give every little, private information about you, because unfortunately, if you're like me, I live in the United States, we live in the United States, there's rules and regulations that these public companies have to follow, right? Around the world, sometimes they don't require so much information, sometimes they require even more. But that's what centralized structures have to do. They have to follow government. They have to follow regulations. On a decentralized structure, since it's decentralized, no one's controlling it. No one owns it. There's no such thing as headquarters. You don't need to create an account. You don't need to get any information. All you need is just a wallet. You connect your wallet to that decentralized exchange. You connect your wallet to Uniswap, and you can start to trade just like that. No account signups, no verification times. It's very, very simple and easy. And so a lot of people prefer this compared to using exchanges because, 1, they don't trust exchanges that information. They use it for advertising and marketing. And 3, exchanges sometimes just are horrible. They suck. They're slow. They have downtimes. They experience hacks. So that's why I'm showing you guys the #1 popular exchange out there, Unisoft. So the first step is you need a wallet. Now, what is a wallet? Well, in the crypto space, you need a wallet to hold your cryptocurrencies, just like you hold US dollars, credit cards, any other fiat currency inside your physical wallet when you go to the store. You want to hold all your cryptocurrencies in a wallet. Now, since Uniswap is built on the Ethereum platform, you need an Ethereum wallet. The #1 most popular Ethereum wallet out there is Metamask. It's super easy, has a cute little wolf as a little logo right here. It's very intuitive. I mean, look at the screen. There's not a lot of buttons here. It's very, very simple. It tells you your address up here, the name of your wallet. It tells you how much ETH you have in your wallet, right? All the tokens that you have, any past history in that wallet right here. And it tells you right here you're connected to Ethereum. Perfect. All you got to do is download the app. It creates that thing for you. It's free of charge. There's nothing else to do. You just create it. You just literally generate an address. Boom. Now you have your wallet. Done. Now you're going to want to get ETH, which is Ethereum, right? To use Ethereum because it's the base currency on Uniswap. Use Ethereum to convert to anything else. Okay, perfect. Right here in MetaMask, there's 2 options. You can buy your Ethereum right here. You can buy ETH with Wire, or you can deposit Ether. If you bought Ether on Binance, if you bought Ether on Coinbase, if you bought Ether on any other central exchange, Gemini, Kraken, you could directly withdraw that Ether to MetaMask. What I did to make it simple, I just bought ETH on MetaMask. Right here, it doesn't show on the computer the Apple Pay option, but on your phone, if you open up MetaMask, which is an app on the phone, on the App Store, they actually have an Apple Pay option where you could buy ETH, and that's exactly what I did. I think it was a $5 fee, but extremely worth it. And I bought around $100 worth of ETH. And so now I got 67. No, the price of ETH didn't drop. I just spent my ETH. I spent it on my previous video. If you check out my other video where I show you how to make thousands in less than 10 to 15 seconds, that's where I spent my ETH. So now I got about 0.0354 ETH left, which is equal to $67 USD. And today I'm going to be buying Shibu Inu token. Yes, the famous dog coin. I guess you could say, it's like another alternate version of Dogecoin. Do I know what Shibu Inu does? I have no clue. I've been in the crypto space for, about a few years now. And I've heard about SHIB so many times. And what's funny? No matter how many people I talk to about it, they still don't know what SHIB does. Kind of blows my mind. It's a super risky investment, but I do have a basis on why I'm getting into it today. But yeah, that's step number 1. All you need is a wallet. Boom. So now we got our wallet, we got our MetaMask, we got some ETH in here. 2, now you need to figure out the coin you're going to want to buy. Like I said, I'm buying Shibu Inu today at a price of 0.000, whatever stupid number that is. I don't care, right? I'm not really going to look at the metrics of this. I'm not really going to be token hunting this. I do know this is a really extremely, risky investment. And based on how it's previously performed before, I know a lot of people did lose money on it. I mean, if you check out the chart right here, that is a pretty ugly chart, but that is exactly why I'm buying. It's experienced almost an 80 to 90% dip, since its all-time highs about a month ago. On May 10th, it's June 21st today. That is a crazy fall. And so what I like to look at is proof of history in tokens. If a token went this high before, I believe it definitely can go that high again, unless, it suffers from, attacks or hacks. And so what happened was Shiba Inu didn't just explode because it's just Shiba Inu. It exploded because of the platform that it's on, because of a meme token, because of all the animal tokens. And ever since February all the way to really June, meme tokens, animal tokens, Dogecoin, Kisha Inu, Shiba Inu, SafeMoon, all these really speculative, highly risky coins increased in value because, of social media influencers, TikTokers, YouTube. Everyone was riding the wave of, oh my gosh, it's going to the moon. I have to get in. They're paying a whole bunch of celebrities. It's almost like what celebrities, going to be talking about this meme token today. And what's funny is that none of them know what any of the tokens does. It's like they explode and then they build something. Like SafeMoon exploded and now they're building an exchange. They never had an exchange before, but now they're building an exchange after it reached 2 billion in market cap. If I had a coin that reached 2 billion in market cap, best believe I'd be building an exchange, because you have the funds to be able to build those facilities, right? And so in this space, because Shiba Inu was at a high price of, I believe, 0.00003532, and it's suffering 80-90% attack, I do believe that we're going to experience another trendy phase again, just like it was in the past 4 months. Either it be later in this bull run, next bull run, maybe 2 bull runs after that. I do think meme tokens and animal tokens will take a hold again and rise. And I do think the only reason they fell was because Bitcoin fell. So I think Shiba Inu is actually, not a bad investment to get into at the moment. Like I said, this is my personal actions, my personal investment. Please, do not take this as investment advice. Do your own research and remember to never gamble. But I'm perfectly okay with losing 20 to 30 bucks on SHIB. And I heard some guy out of California put 16 bucks into SHIB and made $6 million, right? Do I expect that? No, I expect to lose my 20 bucks, but hey, I lost 20 bucks. I'm doing a tutorial for you guys. I'm helping you guys. That what matters most. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I have my Metamask wallet. I have my coin. Now, in order to add that coin to Uniswap, every single coin in CoinGecko, if it's built on a smart contract platform like Ethereum, it's going to have a contract address. So boom, I just click copy right here. And then now, last and third final step, I swap it. I buy my token. So I go here on Uniswap. I click use Uniswap. Now I click select token. Now I paste my token address. I could search up SHIB right here. But what happens is there's so many other different SHIBs right here. And so what a lot of people do is they like to make copies or copycats. They like to change the name and make the logo look exactly the same. And so there's so many people that could be buying the wrong Shiba Inu out there. I want to make sure I'm not doing that. So to be safe, I go to CoinGecko. I just copy, the contract address right here. That's the official Shiba Inu. And you could, you can verify it with the utility it has right here, the market cap, all the money moving through it. I then go back to Uniswap. And right here, all I got to do is just paste the address. And right here, now I have Shiba Inu. So I just click on it and boom, now I can convert my ETH to Shiba Inu. But first, I have to connect my wallet. Remember, all I said you have to do in decentralized exchanges is just connect your wallet to Uniswap. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to connect to a wallet. I'm going to click on Metamask. By the way, Metamask isn't the only option. There's so many other options out there. Metamask is just the easiest for me. And there's a little, Google extension right here. It's on my phone. Very simple, very intuitive, it has a very good front end interface. I'm going to click on Metamask. There you go. I'm now connected. You see my wallet address up here. Well, not the entire wallet address, but you see my entire address up there. And now you see my tokens right here. So now, if you check right here, I have about 0.0354 ETH in my wallet right now. Let's go on Uniswap real quick. And now it's going to say, here's all my ETH, right? And let's see how much SHIB it loads. Just let's wait for it to load. Okay, guys, it loaded. As you can see here, 0.02539 ETH is worth about 7,330,220 Shiba Inu tokens. I am not going to be spending $50 on SHIB like that because one, that's just, ludicrous in my opinion. I'm going to be spending about 20 bucks. So what I'm going to do is, I don't want to do the math real quick. So I'm just going to go just convert ETH to Tether. I just want about 20 bucks worth of Tether. And so that's going to equal, it should pop up the Ethereum price right here. if it'll load. I'm just waiting for it to load. Perfect. Okay, about 0.0105 ETH. Perfect. So now I just need to go back to SHIB. I click on SHIB, and now I'm going to convert 0.0105 ETH, which is about 19-20 bucks, and I get about 3,052,000 Shibu Inu tokens. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. I don't want to spend more than 20 bucks. And now the final thing I do is click swap. Right? It's just going to confirm the swapping thing. It's going to tell me all the math behind it, what 1 SHIB equals an ETH. Okay, the price just updated. There's a lot of people trading ETH. I just click accept, confirm swap, and now my little Metamask notification will pop up. And then guys, I'm telling you, this is the final last step right here. All I got to do is click confirm right here, and then done. My transaction is submitted to the blockchain, and now I just got to wait for it to get verified. And then I am now the proud owner of 3,500,000, or sorry, 50,030 Shiba. So now I click confirm, and now my transaction is submitted. So I will be right back when that transaction. Oh, okay, it happened that fast. I didn't even have to cut the video. There you go, confirm transaction. Now when I go to my Metamask wallet, there's my $20 worth of SHIB. 3,048,624. Like I said, it's an estimate. Things are changing. Uniswap is a very intuitive platform. There's a lot of code and mathematics to go behind it. I'm gonna create another video in the future that explains more about what Uniswap does and how does it work with the smart contracts and executions and automated market makers. But that was it, guys. 3 simple steps. I get a wallet. I find out what coin I want to buy. I connect the wallet to the exchange, and then I swap, and now I own SHIB, right? Before, when SHIB was blowing up, it wasn't on Coinbase. It wasn't on Binance. I don't even think it is still on. I don't even think it even is on Coinbase. I do believe it is on Binance. But Binance listed it after it exploded. It was, it wasn't a 100x investment when it was on Binance, right? It was, when it wasn't on all those exchanges. So you want to make sure that, if you got really high hopes that another coin is going to 100x, 10x, good chances it's not going to be on an exchange. It's going to be on a decentralized exchange because of the nature of how they work. That's it. I'm pretty much done. I did all this stuff. Now all I gotta, just show you guys right now, I just have a few extra links that talk about what is a decentralized exchange, what is what is Uniswap, how does it work. I'm gonna post all this stuff, guys, down in the description. I'm gonna, explain to you guys what's the difference between a centralized exchange, a decentralized exchange. I just went a little bit into it. There's so many other exchanges and decentralized exchanges out there, and there's so many other different platforms that offer so many different things. And it's funny because like you're in crypto, there's so many different exchanges, not like the equities market where you just have one broker like Robinhood or Webull or TD Ameritrade, right? And so you just only rely on them. In crypto, there's so many exchanges out there. So many people ask me, Evan, you have so many apps. How do you manage it all? When I trade stocks, it's very simple. I just go on Robinhood, I just click buy, and I'm done. And you're right, it is very simple. But in the crypto space, right, it's not as different. You're gonna start to notice that, as you get more and more involved in crypto, every exchange is pretty much the same. It's just the colors are different. They just got a little bit of a colors, and one may throw in an extra little feature here, right? Of course, they all have different fees and whatnot, but I've been in the crypto space for a long time now. I've used almost like every single exchange out there. I've used a lot of decentralized exchange out there, not all of them, but I have used the majority of it. And so in this channel, I'm gonna be posting videos about what are my favorite exchanges, what are my least favorite exchanges, what do I wish exchanges could do, and if I was to create an exchange, what would I do? How would I change the space up a little bit? Thank you guys for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe for this video for more content. I appreciate everything you guys do. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did get a new webcam. I also moved the placement of my mic right here. Let me know if this is good quality. I want to make sure this is the most comfortable crypto videos you guys are watching. Let me know if it's too loud. Let me know if you like the lighting. All this stuff greatly is appreciated and helps me and my channel grow. Thank you so much, guys. Take care.
Artlist.io